So I'm in West Virginia, the Mountain State. Question, is John Denver like popular here?
Oh, yes, because his song is one of our main songs.
Also, be sure to wear a mask when traveling during COVID. When in West Virginia, be careful to drive at night because it gets really dark. Okay, so I'm in West Virginia, and right behind me is a coal miner. And over there is the state capitol. And over there is the museum. Before, West Virginia used to be part of Virginia. But the difference in industries caused the split of Virginia. Virginia was more in agriculture, whereas West Virginia is more in manufacturing and mining. You can learn a lot of cool West Virginia history from the State Museum in Charleston. The best part is that it costs $0. Tudors Biscuit World is a local favorite. Okay, so I'm here in West Virginia about to try Tudors Biscuit World. And they gave us a gravy and a biscuit. It's really soft and homemade. But the River Gorge, it's also the top.
Yes. If you're looking for top places to see.
Another West Virginia state food you should try is the pepperoni roll. It's brought by Italian immigrants with a lot of cheese. The pepperoni rolls, West Virginia's state food. Really good. And truly, you can taste the tomato sauce and pepperoni. The gas price in West Virginia is more affordable than other states. Be sure to have cash with you when crossing tolls. Okay, so I'm here in West Virginia about to try their dish, the slaw. Okay, so I'm here in downtown Charleston, West Virginia. And right behind me is a pub where they watch the basketball game for West Virginia. West Virginia doesn't have any professional sports teams, so when the college plays, everybody gets together and watch the Mountaineers play.
Oh, yes, they sing it all the time.
So that's how people remember West Virginia from John Denver.
A lot.
Overall, if you like mountains and peace, West Virginia is the state for you. Please subscribe for more travel content about every US state and every country in the world. Thank you and have a great day.